Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Captain here, back with another interesting gaming smartphone video. So we have seen 144 Hz display gaming phone of the Nubia Red Magic 5G, but Lenovo is now ready for preparing to launch their upcoming Lenovo Legion gaming smartphone. In this video, we're talking about the upcoming Lenovo Legion gaming phone leaks with a ridiculous design and some more detail. So make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. So Lenovo Legion is expected to be the next big gaming smartphone, and of the bytes already confirmed it are properly impressive. 90-watt charging over the wire and revolutionary cooling technology. Finally, we have some images of the phone, as you can see on the screen, courtesy of the XDA developer. According to the website, the phone appeared in a marketing video revolving a unique and bold design. Both camera on the back are in the middle and the selfie shooter is hidden in a pop-up mechanism on the side. The phone is obviously designed to the heel horizontally, and that is why the camera are in the unusual location. The pop-up mechanism is marked with the Legion logo, and we see the dual LED flash in exact center of the phone, right above the Legion star. According to the promo, there will be two USB-C port, the second one on the side, so the device can be charged while gaming. There are going to be two speakers for stereo sound, both hidden in top and bottom, or left and right sides of the phone. Lenovo Legion phone will having a big 1.4cc chamber for better sound and some sort of dual heat pipe partitions. The exclusive source claimed that the phone will have UFS 3.0 internal storage and DDR5 RAM and screen refresh rate of 144 Hz rate. So this is the world's second phone with refresh rate of 144 Hz. Touch sampling is listed as 270 Hz, while the phone is likely to ship with Android 10 and ZUI 12 on top. It's going to be marketed as Legion OS Dual to heavy customization. Lenovo is sporting two snappers on the backside, a 64 megapixel main camera coupled with a 16 megapixel ultra wide unit, and the front facing shooter is said to have a 20 megapixel sensor. So this is another big gaming smartphone coming. Lots of users waiting for the Asus ROG phone. I think this phone is amazing because 90-watt super fast charging with a wire and 144 Hz rate, refresh rate of a display, and maybe this phone is have a 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. So guys, there are a lot of users who love gamings on a smartphone. This is another good gaming smartphone coming from the Lenovo. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this smartphone, and also like this video and subscribe for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.